YouTube, we are back here with another video with your boy Champ CB7. Now what we're doing today is an unboxing, another unboxing. Now when we go outside the house, guess what we want to do? We want to stream still. Alright, so we need some good internet. So what we have here is the new Netgear Nighthawk M6 Pro. Alright, mobile hotspot. So it can work as a router as well. So it's kind of like a modem and a router combined. And it's a hotspot. So you can take this all over, right? So if you're in a place where you don't necessarily have internet like that, well, guess what? With this, you have internet. All right, so we're gonna do our unboxing, and you know, this one got some plastic on it, so let's go ahead and get to it. All right. There we go. All right. Feels good, feels good. Let's see. Let's go from this side right here. You know what? Let's just, hey, like Christmas. Pop that thing open like that. All right. Okay, I like that. I like that. Okay. It says Netgear. So, I see this little blue thing right here. Kind of looks like Apple, where you can just. Do you like that? All right. This is what I'm talking about. Yup. So you got this jumping off right here. All right, got a quick start guide for the mobile hotspot. Off rip. What do we have? We got it right here. It's actually way smaller than I expected. I expected this to be like kind of big actually. You know, like routers typically, or routers and modems, they typically, you know, are nice in size, but this is actually a little baby one. It's palm size basically. You can just put this in the palm of your hand. All right, so I like it. See a little power button right there. I see these things right here for the antenna in the back. Ethernet, you can put Ethernet in there. Got a USB-C, which, you know, a lot of things have USB-C nowadays. Alright, so it's looking pretty nice. Looking pretty easy too. So, off rip, I see a battery. So, got your battery, so it's easy to just, you know, open and get start, you know, set up right away. So, yep, got a QR code on there as well. Let's see what else is in the box. Okay, so we got another one for different languages. All right, that's another quick start guide. All right, so right here we got USB-A to USB-C. All right, got the USB-C right here. So that's good. And got the official Netgear power plug. All right. You can contact them. Got a little contact card. All right. Making sure you can contact if you need some assistance, and that seems about it. Other than that, this thing is open. It's complete. So what we got to do is just set it up. We got to set this thing up And we're actually going to wind up doing this off the video. So we're going to see y'all in the next video. I appreciate your time. Thank you so much. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications. It's your boy Champ CB7. And we're out. We'll see you on the next video. Peace.